For 2026, Rolls-Royce focuses on its core luxury lineup: the Ghost sedan, the Cullinan SUV, and the all-electric Spectre coupe. Rolls-Royce design remains classic, imposing, and elegant, with timeless proportions that define true luxury. The iconic Pantheon grille stays bold and commanding, now potentially enhanced with active air intake technology. The legendary Spirit of Ecstasy remains retractable, continuing as the ultimate symbol of Rolls-Royce luxury. Advanced laser headlights and laser-cut taillights illuminate the road for over 600 meters. Signature rear-hinged coach doors add a dramatic and royal touch, especially on the Spectre. Rolls-Royce offers unmatched bespoke options, including two-tone paintwork and hand-painted pinstripes. Inside, premium leather, open-pore wood, and metal accents create a truly luxurious cabin. By 2026, Rolls-Royce may introduce sustainable luxury materials, including eco-friendly leather alternatives. The famous Starlight headliner evolves with shooting star effects and dynamic astro-inspired patterns. A fully digital dashboard with massive screens runs the advanced Spirit digital architecture. A bespoke sound system, potentially developed with Bowers & Wilkins, delivers a world-class audio experience. The legendary Magic Carpet ride continues, powered by advanced air suspension and satellite-aided technology. Clean, long side profiles and optional coach doors define the Rolls-Royce silhouette. The rear design remains upright and squared, creating a strong and confident road presence. The Cullinan offers a large, practical rear, while the Spectre features a sleek fastback design. A thick leather and wood-wrapped steering wheel integrates driver assist, heating, and comfort controls. Massive 22 or 23-inch polished alloy wheels enhance the car's powerful stance. High-performance run-flat tires ensure smooth driving and maximum safety. Self-leveling center caps keep the Rolls-Royce logo perfectly upright at all times. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is expected to start between $350,000 and $400,000 before bespoke options. The Cullinan SUV is estimated to start around $400,000 to $450,000. The all-electric Spectre coupe may start between $420,000 and $475,000. These details are pre-launch estimates. Official specifications and pricing will be announced closer to the 2026 model launch.